my pineapple peeps? Today we're playing Floppy Bird. I've never played this before, so I'm going to attempt. Oh, by the way, this little gray dot is where I'm tapping. What? Oh. Alright, I got it this time. Oh. What the heck? Oh, I made it to 2.
Yeah, I already made it to 30.
Like, okay. Oh, no! Why?
Very hard game, by the way. It gets hard.
No! Why is this game so hard? Oh! I made it to 3! No! No, stop it, game. I'm a Floppy Bird master. No. Sorry, I've never played this before. Oh my god. Ads. Oh, this is just like Geometry Dash. Yeah, this game. Nah. Why can't I make it past that first one? Can I swear in Pig Latin?
I don't care.
Este saihite se foi hite amge. I didn't swear. I couldn't do it. Oh, this game.
You try tapping with your left hand.
Okay, I'll try. Nope, that's hard.
I just got 12.
Die! No.
Oh, you think this is hard? Okay, follow these steps. You can even show the circles. Go to your apps, go to your settings. Then you go all the way down to about device. Then you click on Android version a couple times. And I actually have the marshmallow version. And then you click this times.
Okay, so what do I do?
Yeah, so you go to your settings, then
Okay.
you go all the way down until you find about device.
About phone?
Yeah, okay. Okay, then you click on Android version a couple times. You have lollipop, I have marshmallow, but
What is this?
yeah, hold on to it now. You can let go.
Oh. Oh! Oh my god!
You think that's hard? Try getting past 3 on this game.
Oh! Oh my god! I didn't know my phone had this on it. Oh, this is cool. Oh! He's like stuck.
Look how hard mine is. He's like Superman. You can hold.
You can?
Well,
Oh.
But look at this. Marshmallow is way harder. You have to jump through. I can't even get past 1 on this one.
I can't get past 1. But I'm a noob, so.
1,
How was I supposed to get past that?
2, 3. I got the 4. Get Shrek, bro.
No. Oh! Oh, this is frustrating. Oh!
It's the farthest I've ever gotten in this game. I haven't gotten past. I haven't even gotten past 1 in this version of.
I haven't even gotten past 1. Oh!
Well, actually, I've gotten past 1. As you can clearly see, because I got a 4.
Shut up! Oh, by the way, that's Receptive Titan.
My score is 4.
Shut up about your 4.
Let's go. Let's see if I can get past 4. No. Okay. Whoa!
I can't even make it past 1. Is there any other games on your phone like this?
No, that's the only one that they put in.
Oh. I'm hungry. Oh! Come on. Why? Oh!
No. I will make it past 4.
I will make it past 1. Oh!
No, I got it 3. Are you kidding me?
Oh, stop. I can't even make it past 1, okay? I'm a failure. Oh! This game is frustrating.
I believe I can fly. I can believe I can die.
Guys, I don't think I'm doing a part 2. This game is frustrating. If you want me to do part 2, let's get 15 likes. No. 20. If we can get 20 likes.
He hates the game so much that he's requesting 20.
Yes. If we can get 20 likes, then I will play this game again. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop the video here.
I got the 4 again. Are you freaking kidding me?
I'm gonna stop the video here and peace out, my pineapple peeps. See y'all later.